Hey guys, it's Jamie and my little sister Leica here. We got Connie the dog in the background that's kind of lazy and doesn't want to move. So anyway, we'll be going over a stretch and flex with you guys. Hopefully you're keeping up the stretching even though Megan and I are off site. So this should help switch things up a little bit. So we're going to start just standing comfortably. You're going to start with your shoulder rolls backwards, going through the full range of motion, bringing your shoulders up to your ears, down and back, pushing your chest forward. All right, get your elbows up. We'll do some elbow circles. Okay, straighten your arms out. Start with little arm circles. Make sure you got lots of space. Slowly make them bigger. And let's go a little bit faster now. Okay, relax your arms. You're gonna hunch forward in the worst posture you possibly can do. Then stand up tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades down and back. Push your chest forward. Good, okay. Lean forward, bad posture. Straighten out, squeeze. Think about putting those shoulder blades in your back pocket. And lean forward one more time. Stand up tall and squeeze. Okay, clasp your hands together out in front of you. Stretch your arms out. Try to pull your shoulder blades apart, stretching those muscles in between. And you're going to gently rotate side to side. Like a sprinkler.
Yeah.
Okay, put your hands behind your head. Bring your elbows together and then pull them apart. Just going back and forth. Okay, step your feet apart a little bit. One hand on your hip, reach over top and look up at your hand. Switch over to the other side. And then you're just going to go side to side at your own pace. Okay, put your feet even closer together and keep doing the same thing. Good work. Okay, hands on your hips. We'll do some hip circles, starting with one direction. Okay, and switch directions. Okay, hands on the back of your hips. Push your hips forward, look up at the sky. Hold for a couple seconds, then straighten out. You're just going back and forth. Remember to keep breathing. This one's great for those of you that are sitting at your desk all day. All right, bring your knee up into your chest. Hold for a second, then switch to the other side. Alternating sides. Okay, bring one knee up and hold. Try to keep your balance. It's a little tricky. And start rolling out that ankle. Alright, switch to the other side. Bring your knee up and hold. And roll out that ankle. Okay. Now you're going to hold onto your foot as you there you go. Switch to the other side, same as before. Just going side to side. Alright, choose one leg and hold. Think about pushing your hips forward. Pretend like you have a tennis ball behind your knee so that you're not compressing that joint. Reach up your arm for some extra balance. All right, let's switch to the other side. Thinking about all the same things as before, pushing that hip forward, reach up. bring your knee up, then bring it out to the side and step down. Switch to the other side. So you can bring your hands centered to help you balance a little bit more. Think about opening up your hips. Okay, as you bring your knee out, put your hand on the inside of your knee. Try to open it up even more. Good job. If you fall over, that's okay. You can try holding onto something for balance. Okay, bring that leg down. Bring your other knee up and out. And hold the stretch. Okay, let go. Now you're going to bring your knee out to the side, bring your foot up, and you're going to try to lift up on your foot as you switch side to side. Now stand on one leg, cross your leg over top of your thigh, just above your knee. Lean forward till you feel a stretch in your glutes. You can also do this one sitting down. Just do your best. Alright, stand up. We'll switch over to the other side. So cross your leg over top, lean forward. You can try pushing down on your knee for a little bit more of a stretch too. Okay, bring your foot down. Put your feet together. Ooh, almost stepped on her. Okay, stretch your arms out, reach up. You're going to reach down for your toes. Let your arms and your head hang. Squeeze your knees straight. And gently move your hips side to side. Okay, come back center. Slowly come up one vertebrae at a time. Your head is the last thing to come up. Alright, we're going to do that again. So big breath in. Exhale as you reach down for your toes. And walk your hands over to the right. It's okay if you can't touch the floor, just focus on keeping your knees straight. And walk your hands over to the left, or I guess your right. Back center, slowly come up, just like we did before. Alright, going to take a big step forward, bend your front knee, straighten out your back leg, make sure both your feet are facing forward the same direction. You're going to bend your front knee till you feel a stretch in your back calf, so make sure that back heel is on the floor. Make sure your back heel is on the ground. There you go. Oh my god, that is such a slide your legs apart a little bit more. You're going to push your hips forward. Reach up the same hand as your back leg. So other side. Your right hand. Good. And you're going to reach over top. So you want to be feeling a stretch right at the front of this hip on your hip flexor. Alright. We'll stand back up. So we're going to start with that calf stretch just like we did on the other side. So big step forward. Make sure your back heel's on the ground, both feet facing forward. Bend your front knee so you feel a stretch in that back calf. Okay, slide your legs apart. Push your hips forward. Reach the same arm up as your back leg. Yeah. And look up at your hand. Alright, stand up. We're going to make things a little bit more active now. So put your feet shoulder width apart. We're going to do a few squats, so just start with your hands at your chest here. So you're going to think about sitting your hips back as far as you can, rather than bringing your knees forward, just so it's a little bit easier on your ankles. So we're going to start with a few squats. Just go down at whatever is the most comfortable for you. Make sure you're keeping your heels down on the floor. Okay, now as you squat down, I want you to reach up for the ceiling or sky. Stand up, bring your hands back down. Up. Nice work. Okay, we're still going to keep squatting, but this time you're going to start with your hands at the center. Squat down. As you come up, you're going to lift your hands up. Palms come up towards the ceiling or sky, and you're going to rotate to one side. So bring your hands back center. As you come up, rotate to the other side. And rotate. Good job, Leica. Thanks. We'll do a couple more. All right. Now you're going to take a big step forward. Hands together. So we're in a big lunge here. Twist to one side. Twist to the other side. Reach up. And then you're going to step back. Bring your feet back together. Now step forward with your other leg. Twist to one side. Twist to the other side. Reach up. Step back. Twist. Twist. Up. And back. Other side. Same thing. Make sure you're bending your front knee. And we'll do one more. Good job. Okay, straighten one arm out in front of you. Pull your fingertips towards you with your other hand. And your thumb as well. So put your hand over top of your thumb. There you go. Just like this. Just holding the stretch to start. Now your top hand is going to start resisting your other hand as you slowly push your palm down towards the floor. Starting to activate those forearm flexors. Flip your hand over, palm towards you. Make sure your elbow's straight. Pull your fingertips towards you and your thumb. Looking good. Okay, start resisting with your other hand. Slowly going up. Job. So we're going to stay with the same arm. You're going to rotate your palm up and down. Then your other hand's going to come in at your forearm, and you're going to give it a massage as you twist your hand back and forth. So really dig deep in there, especially up top. That's the area that you want to focus on. That's where all those muscles originate. Okay, let's switch over to the other side. So starting out with your arm straight out in front of you, elbow straight, pull your fingertips and thumb towards you. Forget your thumb. There you go. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, start pushing your hand down. Nice work. Okay, flip your hand over. Hold the stretch to start. Start pushing your hand up. Good, okay, and then same thing on this side. So we're going to do that forearm massage, just starting with this. Okay, and really dig into those muscles. Okay, relax your arms. Bring your ear to your shoulder. Stretch your arm out to the side. Relax your arm, roll your chin to your chest. Put your hands on the back of your head just to put a little bit of pressure. Don't worry about pushing down, you just want a little bit extra weight. Okay, let go of your head. Bring your other ear to your shoulder. Stretch your arm out to the side. think you did that side last time.
Really?
There you go. Oh, other arm. There you go. Okay, relax your arm. We'll do some semicircles. Oh, not all the way up, just looking down. Okay, look up straight ahead. Then you're going to turn, shoulder check over one shoulder. Put your hand up on your jaw to give yourself a little bit more stretch. And switch over to the other side, looking over your shoulder to start. And bring your other hand up on your jaw just to give yourself a little bit more pressure. Okay, let go. You're going to take a big breath in, stretch up as tall as you can. Bring your palms together, exhale as you bring your hands down. One more time. Okay, great work. Thanks, guys.